Welcome back. Now, also in your settings area, you can manage your store's legal and disclosure pages. And you're going to do that from this link inside of the legal tab. Now, it is an optional feature. You can place your refund policy on your legal pages. And if you don't have any language that you are currently using, you can create that language from a template inside of Shopify. Now, in order to use the template, you will want to make sure you understand the disclaimer around Shopify's templates. Once you've done that, you can click this button that says Create from Template. You then have an effective refund policy, which you can edit according to your needs. And once you agree with what it says, you can then click Save. And your refund policy will be saved. You can do the same thing with your privacy policy. You can create your privacy policy from a template. Once you read through the privacy policy and edit it according to your needs, you can then save that privacy policy to your legal pages. You can do the same thing with your terms of service. You can create from a template. You'll read through your terms of service. You can agree and or edit them, and you can then click Save. Now, you won't have language for a shipping policy. So you'll want to write in your shipping policy in this area if that is going to be appropriate, and then you'll save your entire legal page system. And once you've done all four, you will have then created your own set of legal pages for your Shopify site. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.